Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend to go to the App Store or Play Store and check for updates. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to check for updates for your earbuds. So go to the TOZO application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then click at the settings icon at the right top. And at the second line we have OTA update. Tap at this line, you check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you can download and install. So update it. If it also didn't help you, or you haven't new software version, next step I recommend to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with my phone and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to unpair these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and then we need to turn off these headphones. To turn off them, at the back side we have touch controls. You need to press and hold simultaneously the both of your earbuds until you will see the red LED light. After that, you release your finger and you need to again press and hold until you will see that the LED light flashing blue. If your earbuds blinking blue and red, it means that you enter to pairing mode, or if it do not blinking like what I have right now, you need to again release your finger, then press and hold on them. We just turn on them and we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So tap on them and then we need to again remove these earbuds from the phone. So forget, then we turn off. Here we go, release your finger, then press and hold again. Here we go. Then release your fingers and then you need to press and hold again for at least 3 seconds to turn on them. So press and hold. And now we need to wait until this reset finished. Then it will enter to pairing mode and we can easily reconnect them with the phone. Here we go. Now tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!